Good day and welcome to all the esteemed professionals who have shown interest in joining Keynote Speaker Hub. It's an honor to introduce you to our exceptional collective institution, which has been meticulously crafted for professionals who seek to elevate their presence, impact, and influence in their respective industries. Keynote Speaker Hub is far more than just a platform. It is an essential collective institution designed exclusively for professionals who aspire to go beyond the ordinary. Our foundation was built by industry mavens in public and media relations, individuals who have spent years mastering the art of communication, storytelling, and thought leadership. This expertise allows us to offer a platform that goes beyond the standard directory listings or speaker databases. Our platform is distinguished by its direct integration with mainstream media sources, providing coverage from a range of outlets, podcasts, news networks, editors, and journalists, right down to both print and digital magazines. This means that our members are not just seen, but they're seen by the decision makers who matter most in their industries. We open doors to opportunities that enable our members to establish themselves as authorities in their fields, connect with event planners, and gain access to the kind of media exposure that sets them apart. One of our most valuable features is the Keynote Speaker Hub Task Force, a proactive team dedicated to aligning our members with opportunities that truly matter. Our task force works closely with employers to match them with industry experts who facilitate trainings, workshops, team building activities, and so much more. This is what makes Keynote Speaker Hub one of the only platforms in the marketplace that is genuinely invested in helping our members scale their influence, become thought leaders, and gain consistent media coverage. We don't just talk about growth, we create it. Our members are not just speakers. They are global thought leaders who are committed to thinking future forward, bridging the gap between planners, organizers, employers, and founders, all while harnessing the knowledge and experience necessary to empower, educate, and inform audiences worldwide. Now let's be clear, Keynote Speaker Hub isn't for everyone. We're not just another platform. We are for those who recognize that joining Keynote Speaker Hub is an added value, a strategic move that brings with it endless possibilities. We are for those who understand that their voice, their expertise, and their message deserve a platform that reflects their excellence and ambition. So congratulations on taking the first step toward exploring what makes Keynote Speaker Hub an incredible collective institution. We are excited about the potential of having you as part of our vibrant community, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Thank you, and welcome to the possibility of limitless growth, exposure, and impact with Keynote Speaker Hub.